both got room left to grow. And though love sometimes hurts, I'll still put you first. And though they didn't work, but I think we should take it slow. We're just ordinary people. We don't know which way to go, 'cause we're ordinary people. Maybe we should take it slow, take it slow. It's time to take it slow, take it slow. It's time to take it slow. This ain't no movie, no fairy tale conclusion, y'all. This life gets more confusing.